In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay effectively and make a purchase using their cart and checkout system. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to eBay, this guide will help you through a straightforward process and ensure you don't miss the chance to grab interesting deals using gift cards and coupons. Let's start by heading over to eBay. Open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com in the address bar. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on the eBay homepage, a massive marketplace offering a wide variety of products ranging from electronics and apparel to unique collectibles. Feel free to take a moment to browse through the categories or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. As you browse, remember to keep an eye out for seller ratings and product descriptions. These are crucial in ensuring that you make well-informed purchasing decisions. When you come across a product that catches your eye and matches your needs, go ahead and click on it to learn more. Take your time to read through the details, check the price, and ensure that it matches your requirements. Once you're satisfied and sure about your choice, you'll want to add the item to your cart. Look for the button marked Add to Cart on the product page. After adding your desired product to the cart, proceed to the next step by clicking on the cart icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your shopping cart, which provides an overview of the items you're considering purchasing. Double check that everything looks good and that you haven't missed any important product details. Now it's time to go to checkout. Click on the checkout button, which will lead you to the checkout page. This page is where all the magic happens, particularly if you're eager to save some money. On the checkout page, you should see a section titled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is where you can apply any available discounts to your purchase. If you have a gift card or a coupon code, simply enter the information in the designated field and apply it to see your total amount adjusted. This can often save you a few bucks or provide free shipping, depending on the terms of the coupon or gift card you're using. Once you've successfully applied any discounts, take a moment to review your order details one last time. If all looks well, you can proceed to finalize the purchase by entering your payment details and completing the steps as prompted on the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated eBay, added a product to your cart, applied any applicable discounts, and checked out, all in just a few simple steps. Whether you're buying something for yourself or a gift for someone else, shopping on eBay can be an enjoyable experience that's both easy and rewarding when you know the steps to follow. Happy shopping!